Hello, my beautiful sunshines, my beautiful dolls. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I don't know what time it is over where you are at while you're watching this. Thanks again for clicking play on this your channel and on this your video. Today I'm bringing you a set with mint and like off-white colors. I'm showing you there a couple of mixes. One is mine, the other one I'm not sure who made it, and of course this is from the beautiful collection number 3 from Exotic Nails, my favorite nail product. I'll be using, of course, their clear from an evolution that I have left to encapsulate. And that's what I'm showing you there. That's actually a candle holder, you guys. So let's start this video. It is pretty long, so go ahead and grab some popcorn, some soda, maybe some coffee or tea with some bread, maybe a bear claw or a cinnamon roll, whatever you like. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, as you can see, I have a shiny nail. That's because I have some base coat of polish, so I could just peel off my nail when I'm done doing this up for you. I will be applying, like if I was just leaving the nails on, a clear coat of acrylic, so you guys could see how it would be done if I wasn't taking my nails off. The only ones I don't add, me personally, I'm not saying it's right or wrong, I don't add a clear coat, coat of acrylic if I am using the almond colors or the nudes. That's just my preference, and that's mainly done on my own nails or my daughter's if I'm doing theirs. Other than that, I do add the thin clear coat of clear acrylic. That was a tongue twister. So yes, and as you can see, I make sure to clean the edges, the areas, the cuticle areas. I don't know what's wrong with me today, guys. I'm sorry. So I'm only going to be doing 4 nails. I'm not going to be doing the thumb. Usually what I do on my pinky, I do on my thumb. That's just my way of working with the design. If there was going to be something different on the thumb, I would be doing the thumb, but that's usually how I do the designs on my nail. This is the mix I made for you guys on my channel. You guys could look for it. It's the last mix I made. It's a clear whitish with some different shines of pigment and some matte itsy bitsy micro dots on it, and I apply that on all the nail, and then I go ahead and I get the number 3 from the beautiful collection and I sweep it from the tip of the nail towards the cuticle. Then moving on to my ring finger, you guys, this is the first time I'm going to be doing a nail like the one I will be doing on my ring finger. So I grabbed the mint, the white and the mint, and I kind of like dipped it in the white and then in the mint, and then I spread it on my nail. You'll see why in a second when I come back to it. So I just add a little color to it first to add a little thickness to the nail, and then after I add a little thickness to the nail, I move on to my middle finger. Well, where I will just be adding the number 3 from the beautiful collection and a little bit of that glitter mix that I showed you guys, the minty glitter mix that I showed you guys. So here I'm going to start doing my ring finger. Like I said, this is my first time ever. I am not lying to you. You're going to see my mistakes because this is my first time ever trying this type of nail. I do not know what it's called. I can't think of a name that it would be called. So I add the first layer right here, and then I add on the nails. I do make a few mistakes, as you can see. I feel like I left too much open space at the tip, and I try to add another little layer there and try to blend it in. Like I said, it's my first try, but for my first try, I think it came out pretty okay. But when I do pick up the pearls to do this, I do double dip it, as you can see. That way it has more of a line of demarcation. It gives it more dimension. I dip it in the whitish one, and then I dip it in the mint, and then I proceed to add the pearl to the nail and start shaping it. And then here on the pointer finger, I'm still practicing my little blocking stuff without my X-Acto knife. I haven't had a chance to go because I don't keep the car, and my husband's been working out of town, and I don't see the point in paying shipping for something so small. So, and then when he's here on the weekends, we just go have fun instead of doing chores or stuff like that. The only thing we maybe do on Sunday is buy our groceries for the week, but that's it. And so yeah, I go ahead and do that. I end up not liking exactly how this nail came out. Not because of what I did, but because of the glitter that I added on top of the middle finger on its own. It's not the same tone, so I kind of didn't like that. Also, I wanted to add the striping tape, the decorative tape. Oh my god, that stuff does not want to stick. If you guys could recommend a better tape for that, I would be so greatly appreciative, because the ones I got will not stick for the life of me, and they get on my nerves, and they stick on my fingers, but they won't stick on the nail. So yeah, or if you have any tips for me, that'd be so helpful too. So I'll let you finish I'll let you finish seeing me do this nail right here. So once I'm done with this, I do encapsulate and file out of the camera. I'm just showing you what I'm doing here, and then how I will decorate it. I kind of leave those steps out so the video won't be super long. It's already long enough as of now, and I didn't want to make it so fast that you can't really see what I'm doing. So this one's 2 times fast. And there it is, the encapsulated. I didn't encapsulate the ring fingernail, but I did encapsulate the rest of them, and that's my encapsulation. And then from there I proceed to filing, shaping, and buffing. So here I will be adding the tiniest crystals that I have. I do make a mistake on this. I wanted to put crystals on one, skip one, and then move on to the next one, but I didn't pay attention, and I ended up gluing them one back to back. But I think it would have looked way more prettier if I would have done it the way I planned. But either way, it's just to give you guys an idea, and that's why I tell you about the mistake I made, so you'll know if you try this out to do it the way I think it would have looked better. Either way, I'm planning on doing further down another set that I will keep on with this nail because I think it's so pretty with the rhinestones. So yeah, I think, see, you could see I didn't skip one, and I wanted to skip one so you could see the little steps, but I didn't do it. I think it would have looked so much prettier. So on the pointer finger, since I didn't like that glitter mix, I ended up adding rhinestones to where the triangle, or crystals to where the triangles are. The triangle is. So yeah, that's about it, ladies. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you could take some of the ideas that you like. You don't have to use all of them. You keep what you like, discard what you don't. But I hope I gave you guys a few ideas for your clients or for yourselves. I would love to see if you guys recreate any of the stuff I do on my channel. You could either tag me on Instagram or put it on my page on Facebook. The links will be down in the comments as well. So thank you again for watching. Welcome to all the subscribers. Thank you to my faithful subscribers. I shouldn't call you subscribers. You guys are all my family. So welcome to the new family members, and thank you to my old family members for always being here supporting me. My nail family from here, my little dolls and my sunshines. I really appreciate it. If you guys liked this video, please comment, share, and like. I would really appreciate that support. And yeah, so thank you again for watching. I love you all. Hugs, kisses, and squeezes. And I shall see you on my next video. Love ya.